Hey guys, this is Matthew with AEA Mexico here at the ranch. We're going to be shooting the Challenger, AEA Challenger in 30 cal and the carbine in 25 cal with these new slugs I discovered from Poland, ARG. These are awesome. These are awesome. I can't get any better than these. They have a bunch of different grains and everything. They only go up to 30 cal. So right now we have we're going to be shooting the 30 cal in 41 grains and the 25 cal in 24.7 grains. We're going to do that right now, and then we'll do the carbine in a second video that we'll upload at the same time. And we have a drone out there taking pictures of the target. It's a little windy today. Okay, I'm gonna do another mag. Okay, that was 75 feet, 25 yards. We'll just go see how we did. My first shot went a little bit off because of the wind. Might have been me. All the rest of them right here, less than the size of a golf ball. And the rest of them went right here. These are excellent slugs. Now I'm going to be shooting way up here on the mountain or the hill. And we're going to do that right now in the second video. Thanks guys, have a good